Oh, shit. Holy shit. What the f?
It's one of the things from the this is a refinery.
Can you start a full alarm to Phillips 66? We have a large black column. Fire Quinton 76. It's going to be the Tormey side. We just had a large explosion from the area as well. We'll still advise when I know more.
Copy. They just called. They're advising it's a petroleum tank that carries 200,000 barrels just exploded for the facility. They are evacuating. Report of a large black column. Phillips IC has been established. We do have a report of petroleum tanks exploding.
I don't have eyes on that yet. Phillips did call it in. Sounds like it is their property, one of the tanks. Engine 75, can you get out, go to NuStar? Break, Battalion 7, sounds like this might be NuStar's property. I'm in route to the incident.
It looks like you have one tank exploded. So a second tank is starting to smoke.
11-1, copy.
Your grass fire is slow rate to spread up the hill towards Cummings Island.
832, copy. One tank has exploded. Second tank smoking. Grass fire spreading up the hill.
Command Fire H32 on your grass fire. No structures. Slow rate of spread.
Copy. Slow rate of spread. No.
Off gassing. Two tanks to the west of the fire. Smoking.